Hello, I'm Graham Thornhill and I would like to introduce my new all-electric range cooker. This has 3 ovens, a grill in the top oven, a 2-ring fast hob and a large plancher or hot plate. When I started to design this, I looked at other cookers available on the market and talked to customers to understand what people wanted from a cooker like this and to work out what the main design parameters were. I decided there were 3 elements to design that I needed to meet. Number 1, the cooker should be easy to clean. Number 2, it should be very easy to use and controllable. And number 3, it should have a long life to reduce lifetime carbon emissions. To achieve the first objective, I wanted to make the top as smooth as possible with no fiddly bits you have to dismantle to clean every time you use it. As you can see, the top is smooth. I can just put some cleaner on and a quick wipe and it comes up like new again. The finish is a full vitreous enamel. Not enamel paint or high temperature plastic powder coating. Vitreous enamel is a layer of coloured glass melted over the iron at 800 degrees in a kiln. That's why you've got this beautiful, tough gloss finish. To achieve the second objective, I looked for a small industrial grade controller for the ovens and plancher or hot plate. These are behind this door here, the top left door, and they're incredibly simple to use. Top oven, bottom oven, turn on. It then tells you the temperature of the oven, 68 degrees at the moment. Press in, dial the number you want, press again, and it will take you up to that temperature. It takes around 60 minutes for the main oven to reach 180 degrees centigrade, or that's 360 Fahrenheit. For our friends in the USA, the controllers can be run in Fahrenheit. I decided to put 1 controller for each oven. No messing about with buttons doing multiple functions. Much simpler to use, and you can see exactly what is happening and what temperature your oven is on. The third oven, or warming oven, is just an on-off switch with this button here. It settles in to a temperature of around 90 degrees or 200 Fahrenheit in about 1 hour. All 3 ovens are a similar size to Aga cooker ovens, and all Aga cookware and racks that fit directly onto the oven rails of a traditional Aga cooker fit straight onto the racks of a Thornhill. Our doors are simple slam shut, which is very nice if you have something in your hands. For long product life, it's important that parts can be accessed with relative ease, and where possible to use standard off-the-shelf switches, elements, etc. For easy access to the plancher plate and the hob, we have hinged the whole of this top so that it can be raised to work on the underside. The oven elements are mounted on a removable plate. Undo 4 8mm bolts and the unit can be removed from the oven for a new element or fan to be fitted. The control panel is similarly removed. Undo the 4 bolts in the corner and the unit slides out on a rack where you can get access to the solid state relays and the controller to replace it if required. All off-the-shelf units, standard parts that can be bought anywhere worldwide. With this cooker, I think I've achieved these 3 objectives. Easy to clean, easy to use and a long life with low carbon footprint. The price of this cooker is $6,450 including VAT and delivery up to 150 miles. The full prices can be found on our website. We handcraft these cookers here in our workshop in Canterbury and are able to achieve this quality of cooker at this price by selling direct to you, the customer. This saves approximately 25% of the cost and of course 25% of the VAT. If I sold it through a retail shop, then the price would be approximately $8,600. So this way you can get a superior handcrafted cooker at a sensible price. This is a new product, so I'm offering a discount on the first 10 cookers of £500, but I'm asking these customers to send me a review after 6 months, especially if they found a recipe that works better with this degree of controllability. Thank you for watching.